to Lego Adventures. This is, you know these two sets? Remember that from the last one that we done? Well, this set is this set's a different set. And it also carries a alien too. And it rolls like this. It doesn't roll this way because you see the guy is facing that way. And I lost a couple pieces to it. And so it doesn't come with a with an alien ship, but that one does. And these two guys are on the same team. And including this guy, he can also take off like this. And then he flies like. And he can also do this. Put these things on the side. So then it goes like that. Oh. It's really sweet.